Okay, so we're going to start down here on line 113. Okay, so unum is accusative. It's your direct object, but there's some reason that he puts this at the beginning, right? Then we have a relative clause, which describes who the one was. Okay, so we got accusative, talking about the ships, right? Okay, so this first part is one which was carrying the Lycians. Okay, who are the Lycians? Yeah, they are another name for Trojans, I think. It doesn't tell us. Anyway, the Lycians and faithful Orontes. So this faithful right here is an epithet. What's an epithet? Little tag you put on someone's name. Okay? So we're calling Orontes brave. Before the eyes, and then this ipsius is genitive of of himself. And who is the himself? It's Orontes, right? No, it's not. I'm totally lying to you. It's Aeneas. Okay, then we finally get to the subject. A huge sea strikes into the ship from the top. So it's like a wave, here's this little ship over here. Okay, and the big kahuna here, the wave, comes over and strikes him from the top. Okay. Okay. And the ship, okay, you know Magister is teacher, but it's also ship captain. Okay, so we got the ship captain is cast out face down and is rolled over onto his head. Okay, looks pretty bad for the shipmaster, right? Okay, so then I ask myself, is fluctus feminine? Okay, and the wave twists, okay, Ilam Navim, that ship, 3 times what's Ibidim? What? In the same place. So I guess it means it spins it around. Okay. And the driving whirlpool, that's driving whirlpool, well, maybe it's, hold on, the rapid whirlpool driving around and swallows it up in the sea. So it's like, if you're thinking about a bathtub, now there's like the drain in the bathtub, right? You know how the water like swirls around like this going down to the bathtub and like swallows it up in the drain? That's what's happening here. I know. Okay. Then we got the Nantes, who are the sailors. Okay, so the scattered sailors appear in the vast whirlpool. See, look, 2 lines. You've learned 2 words for whirlpool.
Why are they so like different ways to say different words?
I don't know. And weapons of men appear. And planks and the Trojan treasure appears through the waves. So my question to you is, why do you think he puts appear first? And then all these things that appear later on. Yeah. For all the things that like suddenly pop up from beneath the waves. Okay, now he's going to list out, like he's going to give some shout outs to his peeps. Okay, and this is a very epic kind of convention, right? Everyone wants their name to be remembered after they die, right? So he's given out the names of some people who died. Okay, so now hold on, I gotta go to the next page. Oh, we got an anaphora going on too. See the anaphora? Whoops. Okay, so we got it. Whoops. Yum, yum, yum. For emphasis, right?
How would you know the ellipsis not on the ship by which?
Well, because I see this is genitive, okay? And I know this is genitive. So I would just put the ship over twice. Like you could say, like now the mighty ship of Alonius, now of brave Achates. So what are you talking about of brave Achates? Now the ship of brave Achates.
So you still need to write the ship every time?
No, you're going to say now of brave Achates if you want to. Okay, and then we got this is like its own little prepositional phrase. Okay, and then this is vectus est. So, and the ship by which Abbas was carried.
Yeah. Can we do the beginning? Yeah. Like now,
And by which the old Aletes was carried. Okay, so on that one, I see that the qua is parallel. Okay, and then I got 2 nominatives here too. So that's why I went on and distributed the verb over here to this part too.
Yeah, and I guess if you just translated like the et to like you'd see it in number, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now look, this Heims you learned as winter. It can also mean storm. Okay? And it's your nominative. The storm conquers. So basically the storm conquers all this stuff up here. So if you want to start it out with the storm conquers, you could go on with your bad self and do that. Okay, so we got they receive well, I guess it'd be they all receive. They all receive the hostile flood. Okay, then you got to go back here. By means of loose joints of the sides. And they gape, like they gape open with cracks. Okay. Then we got Neptune's going to come in and calm the winds here. So we got meanwhile, with the great murmur, Neptune. Okay, so Neptune felt that the sea was being mixed. It's an indirect statement. The sea was being mixed, and the storm had been sent forth.